The next mathematical and statistical function is the SUMIFS function. This function is a conditional sum and sums together numbers that follow one or more specific conditions. The arguments of this function are three. The first part is sum range, which is the range or area where the numbers exist and are supposed to be added. The next one is the criteria range 1 part, which is the range or area of cells in which condition 1 is to be searched. And the criteria 1 part is the criteria or condition that is checked in criteria range 1. Well, note that you can define up to 127 pairs of ranges or conditions in your formulas. Suppose in this example, we want the sum of salaries to be based on two conditions, that is, based on the gender that we chose here, male, and based on the type of contract that we chose, conventional. So we write sum ifs, sum range must be a colon that contains numbers. So we cannot choose colons A or B for this part. So we will choose colon C for this part. For the criteria range 1 parameter, we select colon A. And for the criteria 1 parameter, we select the criterion of being male. Now for the second condition, we select the conventional colon and select its criterion as temporary and press enter. Now you will see it shows us the sum of salaries of men whose type of contract is conventional. For this part, which is the number of cells in a range that follows several conditions, there is a function called COUNTIFs. The difference between this function and the COUNTIF function is that the COUNTIF function accepts only one condition, but the COUNTIFs function can apply several conditions. The arguments of this function are two. The criteria range 1 part is a range of cells whose number is counted based on the first condition. The criteria 1 part is also the first condition. Well, now in this example, we want to calculate the number of men whose type of contract is conventional. So we write COUNTIFs. For the criteria range 1 field, we select colon A and select the male cell. And in criteria 2, we select the conventional cell and then press enter. So in this example, we have a man whose contract type is conventional.